guys, welcome back to Waka Waka. It is almost New Year's Eve. For the fireworks for the New Year's Eve, I decided to choose the Dubai frame, which is not far from where I am lodging, and that's where I'll be watching the fireworks from. From here I can actually sight the Burj Khalifa too, so it's going to be an interesting night. This is just to share with you guys, entering into the new year with beautiful fireworks. So see you guys in the rest of the vlog. This is the end of the NYE fireworks show. Thank you guys for watching and see you in 2022. Bye bye.